Space is an incredible and vast place. It starts right above our atmosphere, and it stretches far beyond what we can imagine. The sun, which gives us light and warmth, is just one of the billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And there are countless other galaxies out there, each with their own stars and planets. Planets like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn are also in our solar system. Scientists have been studying them for years to understand more about them. For example, Mars is called the red planet because of its color, and it's one of the places humans might visit in the future. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. The Moon is another fascinating object in space. It's the Earth's natural satellite, and it has been visited by astronauts. The Moon affects the tides in our oceans and is a great place for scientists to learn more about space exploration. But space isn't just about planets and stars. There are also amazing phenomena like black holes, places where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. And did you know that there are comets, which are like icy visitors from the outer parts of the solar system? They travel through space and sometimes pass by Earth, creating beautiful sights in the night sky. Space is full of endless mysteries, and every day, scientists learn more. Whether it's finding new planets or studying how stars form, space exploration helps us understand our universe better. If you enjoyed this journey through space, don't forget to like the video. Share it with your friends so they can explore the wonders of the universe too. And hit the subscribe button to keep learning amazing facts about the world around us.